Today, we're diving into Beacons.ai, an incredible all-in-one platform designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Whether you want to manage email campaigns, design media kits, set up online stores, or create link in bio pages, this tool does it all, and in one place. Trust me, if you've been juggling multiple subscriptions for things like Canva, MailChimp, or Shopify, you'll love how Beacons.ai simplifies everything. The best part? It's free to get started. No complicated sign-ups, and no need to memorize a million passwords. Let's explore step by step how you can start using Beacons.ai like a pro. First things first, head over to the Beacons.ai website and click the Sign Up button in the top right corner to get started. This is where the fun begins. You'll create a username that represents your brand or business. For example, if your business is called Glowhaven, you could use Glowhaven as your username. Enter it, hit continue, and you're on your way. Next, you'll need to fill out some basic information, including your full name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've completed these steps, you'll go through a quick verification to confirm you're not a robot. Don't worry, it's just a simple CAPTCHA. After that, your Beacons.ai account is officially created. Now comes the exciting part. Beacons.ai will invite you to link your social media accounts. This step is optional but highly recommended. For instance, if you're a TikTok creator, linking your account lets Beacons.ai pull in your profile picture, follower count, and recent content automatically. This feature streamlines the setup process, making it quick and easy to create a polished and cohesive profile. Whether you're a business owner, influencer, or content creator, this seamless integration ensures your Beacons.ai page reflects your brand effortlessly. Once your account is set up, you'll land in your dashboard. Think of it as your mission control center. From here, you can manage all aspects of your profile, starting with your link in bio page, a perfect solution for showcasing all your important links in one convenient place. Whether you're a creator, small business owner, or influencer, this tool helps consolidate your online presence seamlessly. Here's how to set it up. Customize your design. Start by choosing a color theme and layout that reflects your brand's personality. Beacons.ai offers a variety of options, from sleek, modern designs to bold, vibrant aesthetics. For example, if your brand is all about eco-consciousness, a clean, green-themed layout might be the way to go. Add social media links. Enter the URLs for platforms where you're active, such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or your blog. This makes it easy for your audience to find you across multiple platforms with just one click. Personalize the page. Upload your brand logo or select from Beacons.ai's creative banner options. For instance, if you're running a handmade jewelry store, you can upload a photo of your best-selling piece as the header to instantly grab attention. Embed additional features. Want to engage your audience further? Beacons.ai lets you integrate features like email sign-ups, videos, or even a shopping cart for direct purchases. Once you've set it all up, your link in bio page will be ready to share. Add it to your social media bios and watch as it becomes the go-to hub for your audience to explore everything you have to offer. If you're selling anything, physical products, digital downloads, or even services, you can skip the hassle and cost of a separate e-commerce platform by setting up a store directly in Beacons.ai. It's a simple, all-in-one solution to showcase and sell your offerings seamlessly. Here's how to set up your store. Access the Store tab. From your dashboard, click on the Store tab and select Get Started. This will guide you through the initial setup process. Add your first product. Enter key details about your product. For example, if you're selling handmade candles, Title it something like hand-poured lavender soy candle. Write a descriptive summary that highlights its features, such as made with natural soy wax and infused with calming lavender essential oils. Set a price or use the pay what you want feature to let customers choose their own price within a set range. Upload product images. High-quality visuals are key to attracting buyers. Upload professional photos of your product or use Beacons.ai's built-in AI tools to generate an appealing image. For instance, if you're selling digital art, you can create a stylized preview or watermark your design for added protection. Set up payments. To accept payments securely, go to the Settings section and connect your preferred payment provider, such as PayPal or Stripe. This ensures a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Publish your store. Once your products are ready, your store will be live on your link in bio page. Customers can easily browse your offerings and make purchases without leaving the page. This integrated store feature is ideal for creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses looking to simplify their sales process. Whether you're selling ebooks, custom merchandise, or coaching sessions, your Beacons.ai store makes it easier than ever to turn your audience into customers. One of the standout features of Beacons.ai is its built-in email marketing tools, which let you replace external platforms like MailChimp. With Beacons.ai, you can effortlessly collect email signups and send newsletters, all within the same platform. It's a seamless way to stay connected with your audience while managing everything in one place. Add an email sign-up form. From your dashboard, customize your link in bio page by adding an email sign-up block. Label it something enticing like "Join our community" or "Get exclusive updates." For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could say, "Sign up for weekly workout tips and free resources." When visitors submit their emails, Beacons.ai will automatically store them in your email list. You can access and organize this list directly in your dashboard, saving you time and keeping everything centralized. Beacons.ai's email tool lets you design and send newsletters with ease. Use the user-friendly editor to craft your message, and take advantage of professionally designed templates to ensure your emails look polished and engaging. For example, if you're launching a new product, you can create a visually appealing announcement complete with product images and a call-to-action link. Beacons.ai also provides insights into your email campaigns, such as open rates and click-through rates, helping you refine your strategy over time. This all-in-one email marketing capability is perfect for creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to grow and engage their audience without juggling multiple platforms. Whether you're promoting events, sharing updates, or offering exclusive deals, Beacons.ai has you covered. If you're a content creator hoping to collaborate with brands, Beacons.ai's Media Kit Builder is an invaluable tool. It simplifies the process of showcasing your influence by automatically pulling data from your linked social media accounts, including follower counts, engagement rates, and other key metrics. In minutes, you'll have a sleek, professional media kit ready to impress potential partners. No need for tools like Canva or InDesign. The Media Kit Builder not only saves time but also ensures your presentation looks professional and data-driven. Whether you're pitching to global brands or local businesses, this feature helps you land partnerships that align with your goals and showcase your value as a creator. Beacons.ai isn't just for creators and product sellers, it's a powerful tool for service providers too. Whether you're a coach, consultant, or educator, you can easily offer services like one-on-one sessions or online courses directly through the platform. It's an all-in-one solution that eliminates the need for third-party booking or course hosting tools. Go to the Appointments tab in your dashboard to set up your availability. Link your existing calendar, Google Calendar, for example, to streamline scheduling. For instance, if you're a life coach, you can set up time slots for 30-minute strategy sessions or 1-hour deep dive consultations. Customers can book directly through your link in bio page, and you'll receive instant notifications to stay organized. You can even set different rates for various services, making it easy to cater to different client needs. Head to the store section to upload your course materials, whether they're PDFs, video tutorials, or downloadable resources. For example, if you're a fitness trainer, you could create a course like 4-week home workout plan, with workout videos, meal plans, and progress trackers. Beacons.ai also lets you set tiered pricing, so you can offer basic access at one price and premium content for higher-paying customers. By combining appointment booking, course hosting, Beacons.ai is an ideal platform for service providers looking to simplify their operations while delivering a professional experience to clients. Whether you're offering virtual yoga classes, financial consulting, or art lessons, Beacons.ai helps you grow and manage your business effortlessly. Beacons.ai shines because of its incredible versatility. It bundles tools that would normally require separate subscriptions, like link in bio pages, email marketing, appointment scheduling, and store hosting, into one streamlined platform. From managing your online presence to selling products or services, everything is accessible right from a single dashboard. What sets Beacons.ai apart is its AI-powered customization. You can create sleek, professional-looking designs without needing to hire a designer or spend hours tweaking templates. For example, the AI can automatically generate branding elements like banners, color themes, and layouts that perfectly align with your style. Whether you're a content creator launching your first project or a seasoned entrepreneur wanting to simplify your workflow, Beacons.ai is easy to use, affordable, and packed with value. With tools designed to grow alongside your goals, it turns running an online business into a seamless and surprisingly fun experience.